as a regional manager of AceMicromatic, how do you foresee the market? Because Ace has plethora of products on offer.
Yeah.
Could you specify what kind of a demand is there in Coimbatore or overall in Tamil Nadu? Which line of products are more selling than the others?
Yeah, basically in Coimbatore it is it's foundry kind of industries are more here.
Correct.
And you know that the number of auto component manufacturers are keep increasing in this segment. And apart from that, there is a valve industry. The valve industry is very famous, not now, even from the beginning. More than two decades. All the cast iron components, cast iron products for the auto components, for the gear factory or any transmissions. From Coimbatore, they are supplying across the India and sometimes to export. They do exports also for the auto components. There is a huge demand for auto component manufacturing and huge demand for wind energy and aerospace components, valve industry, and hardly from the our EV vehicles. So a lot of suppliers, lot of EV OEMs are looking for the suppliers in and around Coimbatore, and some of them are already in supplying electronics industry like mobile manufacturing. All the mobile manufacturers, they are looking for a supplier from Coimbatore.
How are you addressing the demand from these industries? As you say, it is expanding. How is Ace addressing this particular challenge?
Yeah, from Ace perspective, see, we have originally, even 2 years back, we have a small team like 25 members. We have a single office. But last year we have opened one more office at Ramanathapuram. Now we are the biggest team. Now we have make a team of 50 numbers because the total installation in and around Coimbatore, it is more than 5,000 numbers. 5,000 machines are already running in successful. And last year we sold somewhere around 300 machines, one single year, which is the highest. And this year we are expecting a lot more business from Coimbatore, especially the volume of HMCs and VTL machines and bigger size VMC and the premium solution in turning solutions. Those are the industry we are looking for, and we are focusing on that. We have a very good market for turning because of the pump industry, and we have a large EMC because of the foundry, and it calls for a bigger size machine for pattern making, and for grinding machines because Coimbatore is known for the pump industry. So here the grinding market is very huge. Each and every customers are looking for a grinding solution.
What is your prospect, or how do you see the future?
It will go. It will definitely go in that way only because a lot of new pump manufacturers are coming in, a lot of auto component manufacturers are coming in. It will go like that. The only one is the greenfield sector like EV, which will grow in much faster way. So that will, in EV sector, it is not generally a turning part, but only sliding head, which will help us. But BMC, the built-up centers are keep growing.